Greetings, fellow vendors. In today's video, we are going to be doing a collection and restock at my retirement apartment complex. This has been a great location for me. They've been doing some work on the room, so it's been a little slow this week. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button. Enjoy the show. Greetings, everyone. Here we are at our retirement complex. They were working on replacing the carpet this week, so there wasn't much in the way of sales. They had the room closed off for the most part. So we are going to go ahead and get everything restocked here. Get some extra light up there. I'm going to put you up here so you can see everything. Hope everyone's having a great week. Sales have really picked up on this machine even after the price change. One of the residents came out to me while I was here at this time and said that they got a reminder on their phone that the price changed, and it was 2 years since my last price change at this location. So I really try to take care of the residents because I know they're on a fixed income. These places can be really good money makers. Getting some Dr. Pepper loaded up in here. Gearing up for Vegas, getting ready to go to MBVA. Hope there's others going. Getting some Pepsi loaded up in here. Trying to get this one stocked up because Pepsi's going a lot quicker. No, I don't. It's been a few weeks since this video was shot, so we're going to go ahead and get onto the collection. Nice silver waterfall there. Have noticed an uptick in the silver coming into the machines. Then we'll get onto the cash. Machine did $80 for the week, $17.55 of that was just in credit cards. This machine only accepts $1 bills, so it won't take any fives. Get this machine all closed up. We'll get started on the snack machine. Didn't look too bad, but we'll go through and see what it needs. Definitely needs some chips, so we're getting the chips in there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that bell notification so be notified whenever I drop a new video. Getting some Fritos in there, some more Doritos Cool Ranch. I may have to reach out to Vistar to see if I can get some of the bigger bags of chips in bulk and not the variety packs. Gonna get some more Buddy Buddies in here. And updating my numbers in Vensoft. If you'd like to learn more about that, I do have a video on the channel on how I use Vensoft, and hopefully it'll help you guys out as well. There's also a link for a free 14-day trial. Those columns weren't looking too bad, but I gotta get some more of the fig bars in there. These things sell like crazy. I almost go through a full slot of them every week. Throw some more Nestle Crunch in here. Update the numbers. Pulled out some expired donuts. It happens. Get some fresh ones in there. Get the numbers updated so that everything's in there for VendSoft, and then my inventory is all tracked. If you're looking to add credit card readers to your machines, check out the links I have down in the description. You get either the Cantaloupe ePort G11 Pulse series or the Cantaloupe Engage series, and you get $30 off each unit you order if you use the code 720vending at checkout. Cantaloupe's been really good to me. Had a nice bit of change there. Nice little stack of cash. It did $88.25 in total. $42.45 of that was in credit cards. So $168 for the week. That ain't bad for 2 machines. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.